Hello and welcome back to a Byteania tutorial on how to make a Terraria dedicated server. So first thing you want to do is go to the Terraria website. You then want to scroll to the bottom of the website and press PC dedicated server. You're going to want that to download. Once that's downloaded, you want to open it and then you want to drag it to your documents. After it's in your documents, you want to just create a folder, call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Terraria. After that, you just want to drag it in that folder and you want to extract it with a tool such as WinRAR. So I'm going to press extract here. I'm going to open up that number and I'm going to press Windows as I'm on a Windows 2019 machine. So when you're in this folder, all you want to do is create a shortcut of the Terraria server exe. So you're going to right click and you're going to go down to create shortcut. Then you're going to right click the shortcut and press properties and go to the end of the target or address bar and we'll type -config. After -config, you want to put the config file name. So in this case, it's server config as it is left default. After that, all you want to do is press apply and OK. All you want to do now is run the shortcut. So now you can see our server is now in the config stage. So we're going to create a new world and press N. I don't care what size the world is, so I'm going to go large. And this is the game mode we want, or difficulty. So I'm just going to go classic with 1. It's all just number processes, I'm sure you can figure it out. So this is our world name, I don't care, I'm just going to call it Byteania. And this is the seed, I want a random seed, so I'm just going to hit enter. So now it's going to go ahead and download our world. I will be back once it has downloaded. So now once you have this part, it's going to ask you to select a world. I'm going to press 1 as that is our new world we have just created. Now it's going to ask us for the amount of players we want. I'm solo, so I'm just going to press 1. It's going to ask you if you have a server port you want to use. I would highly suggest leaving it as default as 7777. And we don't want it to automatically port forward as we are going to be using the Byteania firewall. It's going to ask you for a password, but I'm just going to leave it server public. Just going to hit enter if you don't want a password. So now, as you can see, the server is started. So I'm going to go ahead and load in to this server for you. So now once you're in the main menu, all you want to do is hit multiplayer, join via IP, and you want to select the character you want to go with. Make sure that the character is the same game mode or difficulty as the server you are joining. All you want to do is press player. You want to enter the IP of your server, mine is already here. You want to enter the port, that should be 7777 as default. You want to press accept. And as you can see, we have now loaded into the server called Byteania. And that is my name there. So I hope this tutorial has helped you, and thank you for watching.